Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Crafter extra long wheelbase. This vehicle comes fitted with a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 177 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey, and across the front of the vehicle it features a half-painted front bumper as well as front parking sensors. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch steel wheels as well as having a full wheel trim cover set. To the rear of the van there is a high-mounted rear view reverse camera. The van also comes with rear barn doors along with 270-degree hinges. There is a set of rear parking sensors as well as having a step built into the rear bumper. Taking a look into the load area of the van, it comes with a heavy-duty wooden flooring as well as having multiple lashing points dotted through the load area floor. The load area can also be accessed from a sliding door on the passenger side of the vehicle, and a full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab itself. Up front in the driver's cab there is a singular armrest on the driver's chair, along with a twin-seater passenger bench. The seats are finished in the Austin cloth fabric upholstery, and the van also comes with a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. The van also comes with climatic air conditioning, as well as having a 12V and 2 USB-C charging points. The driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel for a more unique and customizable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.